how to turn on or turn off confirm payment with Assistive Touch on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen and turn on settings. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility, then scroll down and tap on touch. Next, tap on Assistive Touch at the top, and then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on confirm with Assistive Touch. Tap on the toggle button and then tap on continued, and then double click on the side button here to confirm. Now we put in the passcode and then double click again to confirm. And so now we have turned it on. To switch it off, simply tap on the toggle button and then choose double click to turn it off. And that's it. Once this is turned on, you can confirm payment using double click. So here I can confirm with Assistive Touch by going to this device and then tap on more, and then I can confirm. So you can see here I can confirm using the Assistive Touch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.